Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. This T45 down here is super tight. I tried to get it off with two tools. It really don't want to come off. I don't know if it's a little bit damaged or not, but I'm gonna put the vice grips on the washer on the outside of it, the outside ring, and try to break it loose with that and then turn it out. So I'm gonna put these vice grips on there, and hopefully I got a cheater bar around here somewhere I could put on the end of that, maybe that jackhammer. Here's a new one that he was not able to put on a couple months ago because he couldn't get that one off, but that's how I'm gonna try to get that vice grip on there and break that loose. A lot of times when that bolt's too tight, it's leaning on that washer, and turning that washer a little bit counterclockwise will break the bolt loose. I got the vice grip on it. I'm gonna put this cheater bar on it. And roll it counterclockwise. Hopefully it'll roll. And get that bolt loose. Alright. Let's see if it turned. Grab another bite. It looked like it did turn. Not sure if it moved the screw or not, but I'm going to grab it again, turn it. I see a little shiny part on there. I could mark it with a marker, see if it turns, but I'm gonna turn it a couple times with the vice grip and then try again with the T4. I did see the screw turn with it that time, so it should be loose now. I should be able to get it out with my T45, baby. Well, look at here, I can turn it out with my finger now. That's what you call a 10% rule. You gotta be 10% smarter than the piece of metal that's trying to defeat you. Now that we got the tensioner roller pulley out of the way, if you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.